ladies and gentlemen. Hey, what's up? This is why the extra crack, my bro. You guys can smell this, my bro. There ain't gonna have gas, but some more on that now. Brooksperformance, two brothers here. So Charlton and Jean-Andre. So this is some of the interview. These are the guys that's been showing us love since day one, my bro. So I just thought, no, look here, I gotta show these ones some love, my bro. Besides actually getting to meet them, that wasn't enough. I have to sit down, my bro. Look here with more video. So this here is 2 liter 16 ml, no, and everything in-house built. What exactly went in here? We're gonna ask Sean. Hey, Jean-Andre or Jean-Andre? Jean-Andre, we're gonna ask Jean-Andre after this. But as you guys know, I'm quite scared of front wheel drive cars and driving. A beetje vinnig, né? Sinds varkens video. Maar so this, yeah, 2 liter 16 miles all right? Big boss. Big boss, no, not the small one, not a small boss, not a medium boss, but a big boss. So the engine is fitting with this car as well. The body itself is also a big boss.
Yes.
These
it's an original car. And I just tried to make it. Because it's quite a simple boss, it's very close. So we've tried to make it as close as possible.
What's the main difference between the baby boss?
So there's quite a few differences. A lot of people can attack me for it, so I won't get too much into it.
You will watch it comment section and then please don't slot the section.
The wheels are on the Ouens, the LSD, the shitty cams.
What size was it cams, like the ones that they...
276 cams, as far as my knowledge.
It's both like, both cams?
Straight 276s, yes, with the F20 gearbox.
The F20, the one with the LSD one style?
Yes, but you get a few variations of the F20 box. It's just with the SUPERBOSS, they took the box, they put in the LSD of a way. But that car, it's quite quick to have another car. It's unfortunately busy. With your clutch, you can't even test drive. But
it's quite quick. As a SUPERBOSS, is it the SA exclusive or the ones in Australia?
No, it's a South African build. So that's basically a South African heritage car. That car in the 325 IS goes handy there.
Solid, that's runs deep in SA history, my bro.
I think that's the only reason why we still keep in the cars. It's the only car.
We are proudly South African, man. We are proudly South African. So what you running on here, boss? Oh.
Okay, so the car is basically, it's a very simple build. A lot of people fight with us up to today. The only thing that is forged in the engine is the cod rods, because that's OPEL's big point. The car is uprated valve springs. There's a ported cylinder, custom branch and exhaust, 45 Toyota blacktop throttle bodies, 2.8 cams,
injectors.
So there's 440cc injectors here.
You mentioned something earlier, there was a funny smell emanating from the exhaust.
So the car is on F-gas because the compression is lifted quite a bit to get the car's power to work with the cam. And you just slight feel of what it can do.
Brakes, puppy, brakes on. What the?
The car is very low, so it's...
Whatever you can't do it so casually.
The tires are scarfing a bit because the car, I never really have a weight in the car. It's only normally just me.
My nerves were scarfing.
It's not that bad. I mean, this is a average OPEL.
We're just doing first gear, second gear, nothing past third gear.
This is your average OPEL build. It did surprise us. I mean, the car made better than a few dynos, not just one. because I thought it was a fluke because the car made the car made the power. It was like freaking 34, 36 degrees. It was catwalk.
It was.
Yeah, and the car made.
What was this tune they used?
Yes, Robbie Varoli, he tunes our cars. He tunes, so we have a few tuners that we go to. If one is busy, we go to the other one.
Okay,
so we either use Z-Line and Sterino, Zahir and Z-Line Performance, or
shout out to you guys.
Or we use Robbie Varoli. So
wait, this Varoli you speak of, is it the legend himself?
Yeah, Robbie Varoli.
Man, as a light here, I used to. He's a dude that had the Chevy Forenza.
He's the guy that
and the golf with the two engines.
Yes, he's very famous for that car.
Yes.
He actually has a nice monster standing in his garage. We pester him all the time. So only on certain occasions he starts to go up for us. But that car is very nice. He has a goal. So it's like a, I would say impulse. But it's like it's called a goal. So it has a 20 valve engine in. Very nice.
That's very nice.
Okay. Just be fine with us. Just do your thing.
Go. That's what at least fuck what we try to do.
Huh?
Thank you, big boss man.
And there are also some people that are
genuine as like, yeah. Yeah. That's probably the only reason why he gave us away now, because he saw big boss. Shamlani. Thanks to that dude. Yeah.
Obviously it won't spin that much as the Semus one. The Toyo's bike quite nice, I love the tire. And it's what it's
I love it too.
And then what's nice about it, so this car, we built it like a few years ago. So you can go for like 2 years ago. And this car, we purely race it, drive to the racetrack, race this car, drive it on the car parks, drive to and from the racetrack, like a normal car.
Can I just say one thing? I'm super impressed by the car. I'm super impressed with you as well, sir. Because I didn't need to drag anything out of you. You do realize for this whole entire trip journey, I probably pose like 1 or 2 questions with other. The man, my bro, you can see this is a real car enthusiast, and this is his baby, bro. Husband is passionate about this. His heart, sweat, and tears, his soul is put into this car, my bro. And this is what you get out if you put anything into your car. Look at, I might be wrong, but these thrusters is slightly late before the power man. These brakes is very good. It's very good brakes.
I thought the road was a bit longer.
Yeah.
It's quite lekker there on top.
That third gear is fine, my bro.
So what you want to do is, in future, I actually want to lift the rev limiter a smidge. So it's revving 7.6, so we're going to push it to like 8,000 and down the cams, so the cams will never dial.
Is it? Okay. So that's like the lag or delay is the cam.
No, the cam's kicking very late.
Okay. Yeah.
So
that's it.
The car makes peak power at 7.6.
My bro. So where do you normally like launch it if you go like for
So launch this car, it's a bit difficult because it depends on the track conditions.
Yeah.
But you can say about it's a bit difficult. Because it varies.
Wait, before the video gets to what's his name now, yes, it's about the car today, but I want to personally give thanks to us boss man and his brother for always being there to help and assist guys, like not just me but others. You get what I'm saying? And it's an honor meeting you guys finally, and
Likewise.
and keep up that enthusiasm and that love for the sport and the love for mankind, because you guys are humanitarians. My bro, my vocabulary is my fuck. Los man, wat wil ek gesê het? Wat was hy? It's called PFAS, my bro. Go check them out, the Brooksperformance. This is what they do. This is this man's own personal car, but they can have your car full like this as well. If you give them the time, they're very, very busy. You have to make a booking in advance. We leave their contact details down below. The workshop is in Killarney.
We do quite a few courses. We do mechanical, electrical, and aircons.
Yeah.
Specialize in it.
And everything and anything else in between.
Yeah, so we work with variety courses and we build everything.
Yeah. For sure, for sure.
We're not biased, you know. So anything that we can make fast.
Yeah. You guys want to see that in this video as well? It's not like you have a say. By the time you guys see this video, it's already been edited. And you must include that in this video or have that separate. We'll check. We'll have a post or some sort of poll. But I thought we were gonna do that thing again.
Oh, launch.
No. We had enough launches, man. Yeah, launch these different launches. Mensen kan zien hoe van de zit is quiet. We can do the from standstill launch from outside. No. So ja, check us out. Ons gaan veel op bij 3 Calvert. Give this video a like, a thumbs up, comment and share. That was SideHustleGarage. I'm your out. Salute!